Welcome back to part 2 of me building a PC. This video takes over a span of a couple days where I'm just unboxing everything and then actually putting it together. Here I didn't realize how closely zoomed in the camera was.
I don't have as much length as a shot. What? Are you making this pay to win? Okay, what? Dude! I'm like halfway in the ground! Alright, what was your high score? What was your high score?
My score was like 21.
Alright, I'll be the one. Wow, there's so many archies going on.
Lots of archies.
Well, how do I even... Oh my gosh.
See, that's the thing. That's the whole point of the game is you're too fast across the street.
Hold on. Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, what?
14.
No. I'm getting 20.
Alright, pull the box up.
What?
Great job.
That was a crazy run, I'm not gonna lie.
Oh my god. Please let me beat Archie because Archie sucks at everything and Archie bad at
That
anything.
was not that's how you what was that for? Yeah, you're fast and you're gonna across the street. When you across the street, you get the trade up, it's a big boy. I think we get stuff wrapped up. This is awesome.
We have the monitor.
Here is where I realized that I'm really zoomed in and I zoom out.
Okay. Yeah, you know what? That was good.
Keyboard.
What is it so?
What is the motherboard?
And then
Yeah, 100 pounds, I think he's getting up there. I think that's like a good thing to put on the screen.
okay, we can
Okay,
open
yeah,
this.
fine.
Dino
Run.
Opening another box.
Hold on.
In here we
Tomorrow's
have
supposed to be 2 days of
Oh, now we have it.
Christmas.
Oh my god.
our SSD.
So, so he's massive on accident.
Yeah, so then
A little years
This is getting way too
Ooh.
intense.
The
Okay,
AIO
fire rate.
for cooling.
Archie is 700 pounds.
jump.
Oh, and the most
Archie,
expensive part right now.
Famous finish as well. It's the greatest thing that has ever.
you know, stuff like that.
Archie is
The most
700
expensive
What am I?
RGB
What is it?
right
What?
You have to survive waves against fat Archie.
Scary. This is for our black. And
You're missing.
this is white because
This is a very,
the black
very
one
fun.
was sold out, and then the price went up.
All of it, I coded all of it. I'm just kidding.
Here we're on a different day. I think today is Christmas and it's time to build.
Samurai techniques learned. Second day of school continued. Oh, dang! Oh my god. There you go. English deserving, there's a tool where your body can get some long legs. Oh god. Oh. Is it a split cancer?
Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob!
AI is gonna take over the world, man. Just watch. Constant radiation, constant
It's my first time building a PC, so you can tell I was very nervous about breaking things.
SpongeBob, careful! Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob!
Here I'm trying to make sure everything's seated correctly.
No, no, no! Wait, 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 wait! Wait, 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 wait!
The first one I kill is your fat friend. No! Black hair, long legs, you're next. Blonde eyes now.
From what I can remember, I had trouble placing the SSD card.
That's actually it. Oh my god, that's actually it, huh? Hey, if there's any minutes, I did it. I did it. We're done. Bye.
You can find their faces everywhere. They're adored and celebrated worldwide. That's all. The pandas are back. See them again at the San Diego Zoo. Their jungle bells light up the night for the holidays.
Here I'm placing the built motherboard in the case.
Okay, so we're out here throwing people then. Alright, honey, I like your move. Oh, yeah. We did. Oh. Real stuff. Thank you.
Nice little LCD screen.
Well, we're obviously. Dude, I actually didn't do anything. And what makes you think that even think about that? Absolutely. Oh yeah, they're blind, right? They use echolocation. I'm not supposed to look at the Enderman's eye. RIP, dude. You're an idiot. The elevator? Please, surprise me, bro. Oh, wait, shape up.
Soldier.
Okay, bye-bye.
Now, I have an idea after talking.
It's your friend, bro, your partner.
Now I'm gonna clean it up before.
No.
I can't see, man. It's total darkness.
No, what we have, it is still full of Hitler.
Yeah, you're gonna love this. What those are done. Honestly, you need a little bit of patience.
When you want a reliable hot breakfast without a side of family drama, it matters where you stay. Hilton for the stay.
During peak wildfire season, one spark in dry, windy conditions can put our communities at risk. That's why, as a last resort, SDG&E may need to shut off power for public safety because we
Yeah.
Oh my god, wait till you watch this, dude. I saw this on TikTok. I was like, yo, curse.
Did the computer turn on?
A little wire?
Yeah, some kind of wire that makes the computer turn on.
So this was the first boot up, and since it's my first PC, I didn't understand so much about how to set up Windows or anything else, so the VGA light was concerning to me, but I got it figured out afterwards. Little did I know and come to find out that this wasn't even the hard part about PC building. It was installing drivers and the BIOS. Hopefully this was a nice learning experience for next time. Sorry.